Today we're reviewing the Haida RunSpirit, a versatile all-season tire designed to deliver confident performance, comfort, and durability for everyday driving. The RunSpirit features a modern symmetrical tread pattern with optimized grooves and sipes that improve contact with the road surface, enhance water evacuation, and reduce the risk of aquaplaning on wet roads. The advanced rubber compound blends high-quality polymers and silica to provide reliable grip in a wide range of temperatures, improve wear resistance, and support fuel efficiency, making this tire a well-balanced choice for daily commuting and highway cruising. Owners frequently highlight the RunSpirit for its smooth and quiet ride, consistent traction, and stable handling in both dry and wet conditions. Many drivers note that the tire maintains good grip during turns and feels predictable under braking, giving confidence on city streets as well as long trips. Feedback also often mentions that this model delivers solid durability, with even tread wear throughout extended mileage. Here's a useful insight. The internal construction of the RunSpirit includes reinforced sidewalls that help absorb road shocks and improve stability at higher speeds. This design not only contributes to a more comfortable ride but also enhances steering response and overall tire longevity, making it a strong contender in its segment for drivers who value both performance and everyday practicality. In summary, the Haida RunSpirit is a dependable all-season tire that offers good grip, stable handling, and comfortable driving characteristics.